Hi, myself Dr.G.Tharanitharan. In this video series, we are going to see about the one important tool, the CNC Train software. Almost this is a simulator used for fun coding system. This is a user-friendly interface for camp programming. For example, this is an icon. CNC, this is an icon used for CNC Train software. This interface is generally for both milling operation as well as lathe operation. For example, we have a provision is available. For example, control type. You can simulate all milling programs in this interface as well as you can simulate a turning program also. These are the features available in the CNC Train simulator. For example, now I am going to use this CNC trainer for milling application. So I am going to switch over from turning mode to milling. This is a simple billet is available in our interface. Here, what are the provisions available in this interface means we have a number of position buttons is available. For example, you can move your billet of any of your your direction. For example, left, right, top, bottom. For example, at the same time, you can change the view of the object. For example, front view, top view, side view, as your wish. You can change your position as well as you can modify the 3D view to 2D orthographic view. This is the facilities available in this interface. At the same time, we have a number of buttons available for manual operations like single billet, reset, jogging, rapid, home, pause, manual. For example, after uploading this manual program to this interface, all buttons are active, we can use. As like Microsoft Word, we can create a new program, we can upload the existing program, we can edit our existing program. At the same time, we have a number of features available in the CNC Train simulator. At the same time, we can modify the machine setting, billet setting, as well as select tooling and machine control type also. At the same time, we can interface this CNC Train software to milling machine to our system. This is the beauty of this interface. For example, at the same time, for example, billet setting, for jogging and tooling, we have billet setting. For example, machine setting, like suppose if you want to modify the features of these simulator means based upon the hardware coordinates, we can change over our existing system into normal system. At the same time, sometimes we are using special turrets. On that, if you use the turret means you can integrate those turrets in this interface itself. Like that, we have a number of features available in this interface. Compared to other FUNUC tools, this is a very user-friendly tool for CAM programming simulation. For example, I'm going to load some program. We have one H bar. In that H bar, we have a number of 4 buttons available. For example, if you want to start a new cycle means we have an option called as cycle start, cycle stop, spindle off and spindle on. For example, we already uploaded the new program in this interface. Now I am going to start my cycle start program. Suppose if you want to start the program, you want to select the tool while running the system. You can see the simulation in this existing system. This is the top view. You can see. This is the 3D view of the simulation. Once okay, you can directly connect with machine and start your program. Almost this is a software used to interface this milling machine to our existing program. One more program I am going to upload now. This is a tool 2. Almost this is a drilling operation. First higher diameter we drill. Next the small type drill holes is used to drill this workpiece. It's the best software for FANUC simulation. We have a number of softwares also available for Siemens programming, but this is the best software for a FANUC coding system. Almost FANUC is a lengthy program operation. You can learn easily. Same program you can simulate the number of CAM package available, but this is the beauty of this interface is you can get the real time effect while using this interface. This is the beauty of this CNC Train simulator. More program I am going to load now. Let us start my cycle. This is the second program. You can see the tool coming from home position to 0 coordinate. So it's a top view. We will program SNS, so we can get this simulation through this interface. It's the beauty of this CNC Train simulator. Almost we are giving training to these all mechanical students in CAM programming through this CNC